Hello, dear students. Welcome to NEET Shala, trust of 1,000 NEET aspirants on the hands of NEET Shala. NEET Shala welcomes you all to the topic of virus and coronavirus session. Before we start this session, I would like to clarify a few points. First, that this session is going to be theoretical, we'll cover your theory part, and second, that quiz we will be taking on this topic on the Telegram app, where you can get connected to NEET Shala through the Telegram app. You have to download this app from Play Store. And third, and one more important thing is that NEET Shala is now available on Play Store also. You can download the NEET Shala app from Play Store. This kind of logo will be there, this one. So NEET Shala now ready to work with you, help you all. Now it's upon you how much you utilize us. So now let's move to our topic. Taking the first slide now, actually the second slide. Viruses. What are viruses? It's a basic, and all this is covered from your NCERT books prescribed for NEET. So viruses, they are non-cellular organisms. Point to be noted, they do not have cells. They have inert crystalline structure where outside the living cells, when they are not present in any living organism, they have a crystalline structure which is inert crystalline structure. And what is the meaning of virus? Meaning of virus is venom or poisonous fluid. Meaning of virus is venom or poisonous fluid. And these viruses are obligate parasites. These viruses, I repeat, they are obligate parasites, and virus is a nucleoprotein. Virus is a nucleoprotein. Now one important thing I have to show you all. Genetic material. Now viruses will have either DNA or RNA as genetic material. They won't have both other things. No, virus will never have RNA plus DNA. RNA plus DNA? No, never. It will have RNA or DNA. RNA or DNA. So this first point. Second point, their genetic material is infectious. Second point, come on, repeat with me. Viruses will have genetic material either as DNA or say RNA. Very good. And second, their genetic material is infectious. And third, the viruses which infect plants, they have single-stranded RNA. Virus infecting plants will have single-stranded RNA. Virus infecting animals will have single-stranded RNA or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. This point is very important. This you have to remember. Single-stranded RNA can be there in plants and animals as well. In animals, there could be double-stranded RNA and DNA also. Now, they can cause mumps. They can cause mumps, smallpox, herpes and influenza in case of animals, and they can cause leaf rolling and curling, yellowing of leaf and vein clearing, dwarfism, stunted growth, mosaic formation, such kind of diseases in case of plants. This is also important, and please, the genetic material part was important. Please note this point. We will ask in the quiz session today on the Telegram app. On the Telegram app, we'll ask this on the quiz session today. So please note it, and now I'll revise it once. Virus, they are non-cellular. They have inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Virus, meaning of virus is venom or poisonous fluid. They are obligate parasites. They contain genetic material either as DNA or RNA, and their genetic material is infectious. Virus is a nucleoprotein. Plant infecting virus has single-stranded RNA, whereas animal infecting virus can have single-stranded RNA or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Now disease, what they cause in animals could be like mumps, smallpox, herpes and influenza, whereas in plants they can cause mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing of leaf and vein clearing, dwarfism and stunted growth. Now moving on to the next slide. Yes, ये हुई ना बात. ये हमने कर रखा है सारे साइंटिस्ट और उनके कंट्रीब्यूशंस को अरेंज. दिस इज योर एग्जैक्ट कॉपी फ्रॉम योर NCRT book. We have exactly written this, but in a synchronized order. And don't worry, the PDF will be available on the Neetshala, our Telegram group. So just concentrate on what I'm teaching you all now. Pastor DJ Ivanovsky, what he did, he named virus. The name virus, that means venom or poisonous fluid, which was given by this scientist, Pastor DJ Ivanovsky, in the year 1892, and he recognized certain microbes as causal organisms of mosaic disease of tobacco. He recognized certain microbes he recognized who caused what? Who caused the disease of mosaic disease of tobacco. So this easy. Now next, M.W. Bajorinic, he demonstrated that the extract of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants and called those fluid as Contagium vivum fluidium. This fluid is very important. There was a question in the year 2015 from this very fluid. Its name is Contagium vivum fluidium. And third scientist, W.M. Stanley, he said that viruses could be crystallized, and crystals consist largely of proteins. Crystals consist largely of proteins. This was also a question in the year 2015. Remember this chart. All synchronized NCRT scientists, all just if you make it like this in a box kind of manner, it will be easy for you to remember and you won't miss out any question if it comes in neat. And with that, we are moving to next slide, which is about bacteriophage. Bacteriophage equal to bacterial virus. I have written meaning of bacteriophage is those viruses which cause diseases in bacteria, okay, which infects the bacteria, are called bacteriophages. They infect bacteria. Now, if you notice, here I had mentioned in this slide that single-stranded RNA is present in viruses which infect plants. Single-stranded RNA, double-stranded RNA, or double-stranded DNA could be present in animals, could be present in viruses infecting animals, and double-stranded DNA is present in those viruses which infects bacteria. Now, capsid. What is a capsid? Capsid is a protein coat which is made of small units called capsomeres, which protects nucleic acid. Capsids protect nucleic acids, and capsomeres protects nucleic acid, and these capsomeres are arranged in helical, polyhedral, or geometrical forms. This way they are arranged. So this is basic. Just you have to remember this. These are basics. Now moving to next slide. और ये क्या हो गया? Oh my God! What is this? If you have ever seen NCRT, you will recognize what is this. और अगर नहीं देखा है तो अभी हम लोग देखेंगे. So let me clean the board first. Bacteriophage. What was bacteriophage? Bacteriophage was those viruses which infect bacteria, isn't it? So here we'll draw the diagram of a bacteriophage. I would request you all to please join me and draw the diagram. See, this is the diagram of bacteriophage that we are making now. Directly NCRT diagram, no nothing from outside. See, like this, isn't it? Like this. This is the diagram of a bacteriophage given in your NCERT books. Okay, a rough sort of diagram I'm making here, and I apologize for my diagrams. I know you all will adjust. Yes, see now, like this. I've used different colors so that my dirty diagram you could understand. Now the labeling part. If it comes to this part, it would be the head. And collar is this beautiful purple is the collar. Collar. This coin sort of diagram is the sheath, 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 and this one is tail fibers. Tail fibers. We had already done a few questions yesterday on Telegram, and we'll do it today also. So please join 9 p.m. today. Now next diagram, which I had already made before. तो चलो दोबारा उसको बनाते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या था वो. It was something like this sort of diagram. Rough diagram I am making. See, like this. See, like this. And from here also. Like this. And then the circles. The circles. What are these circles? क्या है ये? चलो ना अभी बताती हूँ क्या है ये. पहले डायग्राम तो बना लो. These circles, okay. Please, once you all refer to NCERT, please refer to NCERT for the diagram. यहाँ पे ये डायग्राम बनाना थोड़ी सी मुश्किल है, पर बन गया अपना डायग्राम. अभी इसको लेबल देते हैं जल्दी से. This is the diagram of tobacco mosaic virus, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. This is the red one is the RNA, red circle RNA, and this is the capsid, and I have taught you about capsid, right? Now next slide. Yes, now our topic of coronavirus, slowly it's starting. Now I'll not start with pandemic, I'll go from here to here. What is an outbreak? An outbreak is when an illness happens in an unexpected high numbers which may stay in one area or extend more widely, and it may last for days to years. Outbreak. Then epidemic. Epidemic is when an infectious disease spreads quickly to more people than it was expected by the experts. Suppose experts predicted that it would affect these numbers of people, but it suddenly did spread and affected more than expected. So that would be epidemic, and it affects large number than outbreak. If this inner circle was your outbreak, then this outer circle will be your epidemic. And pandemic is a disease outbreak which spreads across countries or continents like the coronavirus, and it affects more people and takes life more than an epidemic. Why it takes more life? Depends on what strains are there for that particular bacteria or virus, isn't it? And depends on how resistant the people are. So these are some examples of pandemics which have already happened, like HIV/AIDS, flu pandemic, H3N2, Asian H2N2, Asian flu, the Black Death, the plague of Justinian, Antony plague, Spanish flu, influenza H1N1, coronavirus disease 19. This you know already. So these are some examples which will be available on the PDF at Neetshala. So you can join us at the rate of Neetshala on Telegram, and also download the app from Play Store. So moving on to next slide, people. COVID-19. Do you know June Almeida? This is the name of the woman who discovered the first coronavirus, but she was told that she is wrong. That was whatever she discovered, they said nahi, ये नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. She was rejected always whenever she did a presentation. I think she also wrote a book where she did put the diagram of coronavirus because she loved that coronavirus diagram like this, isn't it? ऐसे ही ना होता है, ऐसे निकल के आता है बाहर. So she had put this diagram in a book also, which was written by her. She loved so much the shape of coronavirus, but she was that time rejected that you are wrong. No such things do exist. And this beautiful diagram, you know, this is the diagram, this black diagram, this is the diagram of sun. During an eclipse, when it is dark on one side and see lights coming like this, isn't it? This kind of diagram we used to draw, remember, like पहाड़ बना रहे हैं, बीच से सन बना रहे हैं, then we make like this, like this, like this. And don't you think this diagram resembles our coronavirus? This diagram doesn't resemble our coronavirus. Coronavirus भी तो ऐसे ही है यार, coronavirus भी तो ऐसे ही है. See, coronavirus. Now coming to the topic coronavirus, they are big family of different viruses. Some of them cause common cold in people, others infect animals including bats, camels and cattle. Bats, camels and cattle. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatments. Other people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disorder and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. You have seen also these days that some cancer patients do die also when they are infected with this coronavirus. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. किसी के खांसने या छींकने से ये स्प्रेड होता है थ्रू द ड्रॉप्स ऑफ सलाइवा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस रेस्पिरेटरी एटिक्वेट्स, रेस्पिरेटरी मैनर्स. For example, by coughing into a flexed elbow, covering your face with mask, not mouse. Now, coronaviruses, as I told you, are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS and SARS. MERS and SARS. They could cause this also. Now, what is this novel coronavirus? सुना ही होगा, whenever you call somebody, they speak like this, novel coronavirus से बचा जा सकता है, and they will start telling you the tips and tricks how to save yourself from novel coronavirus. But what this novel coronavirus is? A novel coronavirus is a new strain of virus that has not been previously identified by humans. Coronavirus has existed. Yes, it has existed, but then this new strain has come out. So we have named it novel coronavirus. We didn't know about it before, so it is not something very new, but it is new. Now, coronavirus originated in China, emerged in the city of Wuhan. ये मेरा square shape का map है. This is China map. I apologize. China never looks like this, but I have made this to just कुछ फोटोज रहेंगे तो दिमाग में याद हो जाएगा. Suppose this small part was Wuhan और यहाँ से क्या आ गया अपना कोरोना वायरस. Symptoms include fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, shortness of breath. These symptoms in coronavirus includes. Now this is the beautiful coronavirus. Doesn't it reflect the sun? Sorry for some disturbances. I hope it's audible to you. And yes, now moving back to the topic. So this is the structure of coronavirus. E protein, S protein, M protein. This I've taken the sources Google. This one, and this resembles like that sun diagram. तो ये जो नाम आया ना coronavirus का, this name has come from there only. That structure of sun to which this coronavirus resembles. Now, how many coronaviruses are there? See now. Yes. So coronavirus is basically 4 types: alpha, beta, gamma, delta. These 4 types of coronaviruses are there, and the 3 less common ones, these 3 already will be available as PDF on the Neetshala app. You can join us on Telegram and download the app from Play Store. Now strains. This is one important thing because these days you have heard that Gujarat में death बहुत ज़्यादा होता है because strain of Gujarat is different. Death rate in Gujarat was high because strain of Gujarat was a little different from the strain of Bihar. So this strain is important. Now there are the scientists, they said yes, there are more than one strain of this coronavirus. Now the 2 strains which we know for now is L and S strains. And with this, we come to an end to our topic of coronavirus. And now I would request you all to please join us, to please join the Neet Shala. Neet Shala, you can draw the, not draw, you can join us on the Play Store. The app is available for free. You can also join us on Telegram. And today we have the quiz at 9 p.m. on this very topic. Please revise and do not miss out the quiz. Chalo, bye bye. Bye bye, everybody. Bye. Take care.